Africa is a continent of youth, with the youngest population on the planet full of untapped potential. This youthful energy is key to filling the labor gap in the global marketplace, and it's technology that's leading the way. The business process outsourcing sector is predicted to need millions of skilled workers. And the answer? It's right here in Africa. At TrainingSol, we've been pioneering Africa's workforce for over 20 years, training professionals, building careers, empowering entrepreneurs. We're training Africa's future. And that future is now. Africa is ready to claim its place in global outsourcing. And as we expand across the continent, we're coming to a location near you. Can't wait? Register for our online courses today. Visit www.trainingsol.edu.sl or www.trainingsol.com or contact us at registration@trainingsol.com or call us at 232-79-595-333 or 1-888-214-4005. With TrainingSol, you're not just learning, you're securing your place in a global workforce. You were born to win.